Students, today we will study the chapter Disasters, in which we will discuss about some of the natural disasters: earthquake, flood, cyclone, drought. The sudden shaking of the earth is called an earthquake. Causes of the earthquake. Earthquakes are caused by the movements of tectonic plates, convergent, divergent, and transform movements of plate. These plates tend to move or shift against each other, producing tension that causes vibration in the earth crust. Due to volcanic eruption, moving magma and volcanic fluids causes earthquake. Earthquake activity always increases before an eruption because liquid magma, hot fluid and gases are less dense than the surrounding rocks, so they force their way through the crust to reach the surface. As you can see in this image, magma, it rises into reservoir beneath volcano. Rising magma and volcanic gases, it exert pressure. High pressure causes rock to break and triggering earthquake. Earthquake causes major events: fire, landslide or landslip. Earthquake under sea, it can cause huge waves called tsunami. Based on the past seismic history, Bureau of Indian Standard grouped the country into 4 seismic zones, namely Zone 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Out of all the 4 zones, Zone 5th is the most seismic active region, where Zone 2nd is the least. Zone 5, it covers entire northeastern India, some part of Jammu and Kashmir, some part of Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, run of Kutch in Gujarat, some part of North Bihar and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And Zone 4, it covers remaining parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Union Territory of Delhi, Sikkim, northern part of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, part of Gujarat, and small portion of Maharashtra near the west coast and Rajasthan. Measuring earthquakes. The point below the Earth's surface where the vibration of an earthquake began, we call it seismic focus. And the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter. Usually, the epicenter, it suffers the maximum destruction. A seismograph is an instrument that is used for recording and measuring the vibration of an earthquake. A seismometer consists of a mass hanged to the frame with a fixed base. The seismograph is designed in such a way that when the earthquake happens, then mass remains fixed due to inertia, but base, it moves due to the movement of the Earth's surface. A magnetic field is created around this hanging mass. Hanging mass is a conductor. When there is no movement, then there will be not any change in the magnetic field. Mainly, we use seismograph for the measurement of the magnitude of an earthquake. The magnitude is measured on a scale called the Richter scale. It is usually from 0 to 10. And the modified Mercalli intensity scale is one of the scales that is used to rate the effect of an earthquake at different places by recording the experiences of the people and by noting the damage. So it has 12 levels, numbered 1 through 12. The lower number 1 to 6 deal with the way tremors are felt by the people of an area, and the higher number 7 to 12 deal with the damage The earthquake caused.